Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 BMW 5 Series. First of all, we go to, here we go. I'll turn this down. I'm going to control it from my phone, not the volume there, because I can turn it down quicker. If you look at the bottom there, BMW 96259, if we click on that, there's a tick next to BMW. That means any audio that we play on the mobile, so long as you've got it on the media selected channel here, the music from here will come through your speakers. So it's playing. We now need to go to media, which is the top left one. Click media there, and you see there that screen comes up, and my phone is selected. But if for instance it's not, if for instance auxiliary is selected, again you click media, and you need external devices, click external devices, and then your phone, select your phone. So if I turn this up, I can't play too much because I'll get a copyright infringement, but if I turn this up here, that's it. That's how you play music through the Bluetooth system.